You know, I'm from the Eastern Cape, ne? And the Eastern Cape, xa ubulisa umuntu impilo, kubalekile into yobana uba molo, unjani? Ndiyaphila, unjani? Nam ndiyaphila. You know? That's how we greet each other. It shows ukuthi you are there. You know? But then when I go to Gauteng, I realized into yobana uba izoba ngumolo, unjani? Ndiyaphila. Cwaka. Hayibo, why unganibuzi mina uba ndinjani? I found that a little bit rude. You know, uziqonde andikayiqheli even nangoku loo nto leyo. And as a result, I don't tolerate such greeting from people and close nabo, like friends and stuff, yabo. But if ungumuntu nje like entibana ndlela okanye an acquaintance okanye umuntu endimazi nje, if you greet like that, then it's fine. But I still find it a little bit rude. You know? So what is one thing owaye wayifumanisa xa umuva to a different province waqonda into abantu ba lena where I'm coming from is considered rude okanye this is so funny.